When it comes to electric mopeds, there are actually a lot of options these days. But there's only one model that has been selling like crazy for years now, the Onyx RCR, and now Onyx is making a good thing even better, with a long list of updates to its legendary speedster of an electric moped. The RCR is a 60 mph full suspension retro-styled e-bike that is US assembled at two factories in San Francisco and Los Angeles. The bike was originally designed by moped builder Timothy Seward, with its frame based on the tried and true Putsch mopeds from nearly a half-century ago. On hard-packed dirt trails and rock, the RCR was an absolute joy to ride. It feels light and maneuverable, easily crossing rough terrain. The RCR operates in three modes: Eco, Normal, and Sport. Eco mode limits the output, accelerating more slowly than the other two modes and capping speeds at an indicated 20 mph. Onyx claims Eco mode will give you 75 miles of range. Normal mode accelerates quickly up to a top speed of 35 mph. Estimated range in normal mode is around 40 miles, less if you're launching hard or climbing a lot of hills. In sport mode, the highest speedometer reading was 53 mph while tucked in on a long straightaway.